In a week, you're going to have a quiz that's going to consist of editing three documents without the use of any help or any video. So it's going to be skills we've already done that you've already used, but I want to review some of those skills to make sure that you have them. The first thing I'm going to do is take this document, it's a document we've already used, and use Control A, which selects everything, and I'm going to erase formatting. See how it says clear all formatting? Before I do that, I want you to notice something. Notice tab stops here. We have all kinds of coloring in here. Let's do the Control A, clear formatting. Notice now, tab stops are gone, any highlighting, any special font. The few things it does not erase, and we're going to go to the Show Hide the non-print characters, is if you notice the arrows are indicating it did not erase the tabs I put in, and it did not erase spaces, and it would not erase paragraph. But everything else is gone. Any special characters I put in, any numbering, any bullets, anything I've done besides those few things is gone. Tab stops are gone. Everything is gone. Now I am strongly suggesting when you work from now on, you work with the rulers visible. It will make some of the editing easier. For those who don't remember, to get to rulers, you go to View, and you click Ruler. So I'm suggesting you use that. First document's going to be relatively easy. A few reminders. You have a margins under page layout. If you have to change the margins, clicking in page layout margins and then choosing the margins or setting custom margins is how you change the margins. Font colors. We've done this so much you shouldn't have any problems. Just make sure you choose whatever they tell you and make sure it's the right one. We're going to choose one that's obvious. Fonts, the same thing. Remember your points are set here and your different fonts are set here. Remember your bold keys, your italics, and your underline. Remember your alignments. Left aligned, center aligned, right aligned. You also have justification. Not usually a big thing for that, but just know it's there. You can always use your key tips, and remember you always have the undo. That will undo your last few movements, or you can click and undo a whole bunch at the same time. You can always clear the formatting. Remember to do things in the order you are told to do it. Do not do it in a separate order, and if it doesn't tell you to go back and do something, don't go back and do it. Do it as you're told to do it. Remember under View, if you need to view it as a whole page, you also have, if you have multiple documents, you can split side by side. The hardest thing is going to be the tabs. You remember there's a couple of ways to change tabs. You can go over to the corner. You know what the tabs look like? It gets easier. Left tab, center tab, right tab, decimal tab. If you click there and you find the tab that you want, and we're going to do a center tab in this line, you can put them where you want to put them by just clicking below the number line. Make sure you look to make sure the right tab is set. If you want to do multiple objects, you can highlight them all. Next thing, indents. You can do it by dragging, or you can go into paragraph. Remember you have your special first line means the first line is indented 5. Hanging means the first line remains normal. All other lines are indented. Remember you have styles. There are lots of styles here, so if it says styles, it's going to be on the home tab. In the styles box, you may have to click to find the one you're looking for. Each style sets it differently. You can go into the style and change the colors. You can change the size. Okay. So remember, styles are found on the home tab. If you need to modify a style, you need to go to the dialog launcher box. Click the little arrow near the style you're trying to modify and click Modify.